Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Taiwan carried out a major military exercise by firing USA-made HIMARS rocket toward the waters of the Taiwan Strait. The area has separated Taiwan from mainland China. This was the first time Taiwan used their HIMARS system in the direction during a live firing drill. The exercise took place at Taiwan western coast which faces China. But what exactly happened? The HIMARS shot of for high mobility artillery rocket system is a powerful mobile rocket launcher supplied by the United States. It can quickly fire rockets and then move to another location before the enemy can strike back. This tactic is called shoot and shoot. During the drill, Taiwan fired more than 30 training rockets into the sea as part of scenario that simulated a possible Chinese invasion. The goal was to test how quickly Taiwan's forces could respond to an attack and protect the island. Taiwan says these exercises are purely defensive. Officials started to say that they are preparing their military to defend the island if needed. China has, however, considered Taiwan part of its territory and strongly opposes military cooperation between Taiwan and the United States. Beijing regularly send warships and military aircrafts near Taiwan, increasing tension in the region. The United States does not officially recognize Taiwan as independent country, but it remains Taiwan's biggest arms supplier and supporter its ability to defend itself. Experts say the HIMARS system has become famous because of its effectiveness in modern warfare by using mobile launchers and repair movement. Taiwan hopes to make any potential invasion much more difficult. For now, this was only a military exercise, but it's highlight the growing tension between Taiwan and China and show how both sides are preparing for possible future conflict. What do you think? Was this an important defensive drill, or could it